Hello and welcome to my Zelagis makeup tutorial from Slayers. Okay, it is really hot in here and I'm putting on my wig cap. So the things you want to do is just paint yourself blue and put rocks on your face, which I'll get to in a minute. First, I'm sketching out the rock prosthetics, link in the description of how I made them. So they're free of paint, so they stick better on my face. I did that because I needed to remember which side of my eye would be covered. And I'm trying to wipe off the mark on my jaw because I drew it on the wrong side. But luckily the face paint will do the trick. And my Zelagis wig that I'll also do from the human version, like in the picture you just saw above. Now I'm doing my face paint, Mayron in light blue. You can use a sponge or a brush. Also, I completely forgot to sketch on the chin piece. Anyway, use a brush or sponge, whatever your preference, but go carefully around the sketched out blobs that you just sketched on. Oh, and this is probably the last character I'll be painting myself blue for a video. Just a heads up. And if the paint does get into your blobs, that's what I'm going to call them, just wipe them out of there. Oh, and I'm painting my ears, and this is going to be pointless as they won't go on me after I put on my wig. I'll get to that later. Also, I think I forgot to paint my neck. Not really. Use a brush to paint the rest of your body parts because it will get a really good texture, however you say it. And spirit gum. While I painted all my rocks with spirit gum and waited for it to get tacky, I did my makeup and contouring. I'm running out of eyeliner, so I took some black eyeshadow and used that instead. This is optional as guys don't wear makeup, but this is something I decided to do recently. And now it's finally time to contour. I took a dark blue eyeshadow and started to contour my jawline, my cheek muscles, I think that's what you call it, and my nostrils. Because when you're cosplaying a guy, you want to look masculine. Not Zoro from One Piece masculine, but just regular guy masculine. And now I'm finally putting on the wig. And the rock prosthetics I made. Again, link in the description. I think I said that already. Pin your hair back so you can put the pieces on. Also, don't do what I did with the brow piece because I put it on too high and my eyebrow was showing. Because if you haven't seen Slayers, something you might not know, Zelagis isn't supposed to have any eyebrows because he has this thing on his forehead. And my chin piece falls off later in the video, you'll see it. Also, not too concerned about, I'm not too concerned about the rocks falling off where my hair is hiding it because no one will really see it. And now for the ears. I could have just taken the wig off and then put the ears on, but I don't imagine how that worked. But it's okay because I rage quit. Like you'll see right now. Well, not right now, but you'll see it. And that is Zelagis Graywords from Slayers. I hope you enjoyed. And subscribe to see more of this because I'm going to make the costume. I'll get to that in the future. And see you next time with another cosplay.